hose. It's a simple job, that's why I'm going to do it. And if you notice, it's kind of bowed out there. That's probably what I need is maybe a cup for some extra antifreeze. You're going to need obviously the hose. I got like twist tie, shoelace, and a screwdriver. I'm going to use that to kind of get this out of the way with the shoelace. Maybe tie it up to there, just so I can access the 2 points on the upper radiator hoses. Here, you're going to just use a pair of pliers to grip it. And here, you take it out, and I'm going to remove this end first, so I don't lose a lot of antifreeze. The thing you want to do is make sure the engine's cold. So do this on a day you haven't driven the vehicle yet. I would recommend. And I'm just going to loosen this here and slide it off, just like that for now. So I got that off and ready, so it's ready. I'm going to lose a little fluid. So next is this one. I'm going to slide it off and take everything off and put it on quickly. So the next thing I'm going to do is pull this off with my hand, and then I'm going to stick the towel in there, and then I'm going to pull it off from this side, and I'm going to have the other one ready to go. As you can see, it's right there. I use the twist tie to predicted a lot of fluid came out, so I got that towel in there quickly, and now I'm going to remove it from there, and I'm having the other one in my other hand ready to put it on there as quick as possible. Antifreeze came out and quickly, so I quickly got it on there. Now I'm just going to clamp that on there. Clamp that on there, push it in a little more, clamp it on there, put it up here and clamp it back here. As you can see, I'm ready. I also needed a screwdriver to kind of wedge it off. There's a little stuff. As you can see, I just pushed it in there as much as possible, and then I used the pliers and got it over there. It starts about there, so we got it on there good. Now we got to have this one ready, so I slid this down, and I'm going to quickly pull this out, put that on, clamp it up. I should be good to go. Put it back on as predicted. Antifreeze again poured out once I removed the clean rag. So we're all set. Now, very important to add we're adding coolant there. So what I'm doing is I'm pouring from the big cup, actually from there into the big cup, into the small cup, and then easily pour it from the small cup in there. And then once we get enough in there, it's kind of overflowing, we'll put the top back on, cap back on, radiator cap back on, and we're gonna fill the reserve. I'm gonna take this off and put this back into place, the lines. As you can see, we got a little spilled. So we're gonna clean all that up with a rag.